What's up, guys? Back with another vlog. I am stealing my girlfriend's car right now, and we're gonna take it to the dealership, and I've got a nameless muffler delete that I'm gonna pick up from a guy, and then I'm gonna put it on myself. I mean, I obviously know how to work on cars, judging from my channel and from what you guys have seen before. Here's the car. It's a pretty 2019 WRX. Yep. And I already said we're gonna go for the nameless muffler delete, and he's got the downpipe. I don't know if I'm gonna buy that yet because I don't know if she'll like the noise that puts off. But she does have a 350Z, and she does have a Megan exhaust on that, so she does like noise. So we're gonna start it up, and you can hear what it sounds like stock. Pretty quiet. So the AC is off right now. We're just doing a nice little third gear pull. No noises. All you should be able to hear is a little bit of the stock exhaust. I kind of wanted to get some rollers for you guys. Big bumps, big bumps. Yeah, so.
Use the right lane to take exit 145 onto 7th Street.
My GPS just told me where to go. Well, I just wanted to vlog real quick and just say like how smooth these new Subarus are. For being boxer engines, normally they're pretty rowdy and like kind of vibraty. This car is so smooth. I love it. And you can really feel the all-wheel drive system in it.
Take the exit, then keep left onto 7th Street North. Keep left onto 7th Street.
All right, guys, I'm back at the house. I'm gonna try to let the car cool off. It's smoking hot. Not literally smoking, but it's really hot to do this muffler. So I made it back, and I got them in the trunk right here, actually. So let me unlock that. Pull them out so you guys can see them. All right, license plate, loose. Loosey-goosey. Alright. Here is one. It has the nice burnt tips on them. I think they look pretty sweet. Just like her old car. Right there. So, kind of dope. Here's the other one. They look pretty good. Get the jack and get it jacked up. right, so that was pretty easy actually. I'm gonna go drive it around right now. It's a manual, and I'm gonna try to park it in the same spot so she doesn't notice, doesn't think anything of it. And then I'm gonna put like a sticky note on it that says like, hope you love the sound or something. But honestly, like, this is perfect though, because it's still really quiet. Oh, hold on, seatbelt. But I already heard like a lot more turbo noise. Ooh, dude, it sounds good. Sounds really good. All right, so we're just gonna keep trucking through. Good thing I can drive a manual really good, otherwise this would be difficult as fuck. All right, let's go. I love the sound of it though. We're gonna go out the neighborhood so we can get some exhaust clips. Adjust my phone, man. It's kind of all over the place right now. Oh, it burbles. It's got burbles. Oh my goodness. Already it has burbles, guys. I love it. No tune or anything. So we're gonna set up right here. We're gonna set up like right here. I'm gonna give it some exhaust revs. All right, let's get out. I'm gonna set you guys up. Oh, I stalled it. Eek! I thought it was in neutral. I looked at it, I was like, that's neutral. My E30 is so much easier to tell. But yeah, all right, I'm gonna set you guys up right here. Alright guys, drop a like or a comment if you like this video. It really helps. I'm kind of new. I'm a really small YouTuber. I actually work on my cars and try to give informational videos on how to do everything. So yeah, if I left out anything in the video, just let me know in the comments. Catch you guys later.